Okay. Hello everyone. This is the first case set of CAT 2020 DLR second slot. The case set is about some missing value. The data is missing here and additional information is given here. We need to fill the missing data here. Let's look at the case set. A chain of the departmental store has outlets in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Kolkata. The sales are categorized by the three departments. The name of the departments are given here. An accountant has been asked to prepare a summary of the 2018 and 19 sales amounts for an internal report. He has collated partial information and prepared the following table. The table is given and 8 clues are given here. So we need to fill the data here. Fine. Let's look at the data. What's given here says that sales amounts in apparel departments were the same for Delhi and Kolkata in 2018. This is Delhi, this is Kolkata. These two values are same. So if we take this as A, this will also become A. Then the sales amounts in the apparel departments were the same for Mumbai and Bangalore in 2018 is same. Sales amounts in apparel departments were the same for Mumbai and Bangalore. This is Mumbai, this is Bangalore. So if you take this value as B, this will also become B. The next line says that this sales amount matched the sales amounts in the apparel departments for Delhi in 2019 also. So this will also become B. The total values are not given here. Third clue says that the sales amounts in the home decor departments were the same for Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018. Mumbai and Kolkata. If you take this value as C, this will also become C. Sales amounts in the home decor departments were the same for Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018. We have already used this clue. The sum of the sales amounts of 4 electronic departments increased by the same amount as the sum of the sales amounts of the 4 apparel departments from 18 to 19. The 4 electronic departments increased by the same amount as the sum of the sales amounts of the 4 apparel departments from 2018 to 19. Electronics, this one is electronics. If you add up this, 78 plus 82 will give you 160, 160 plus 90, 250, 250 plus 80 is 330. Next time it will become 98 plus 102, 200, 270, 370. That means there is an increase of how much? 40. That means in the case of apparel departments, the increase should also be equal to what? 40. We'll come to that. And let's look at the next clue. The total sales amounts of the 4 home decor departments increased by rupees 70 crores from 18 to 19. This value will increase by 70, but these two values are missing. Let's read the next clue. The sales amounts in the home decor departments of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by rupees 20 crores from 18 to 19. That means this value will increase by 20. We already know the final value. In 19 it's 100. So in 18 it should be 80, 20 less than that because there is an increase of 20. Similarly, if you look at this value, in Bangalore, it was given that the sales amounts in the home decor departments of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by 20. So this value must be equal to how much? 60. If you look at the whole data, only C is missing. Now I can use this one, this clue also. The total amount, sales amounts of the 4 home decor departments increased by rupees 70 crores from 18 to 19. So let's look at the increase here. It's 80 plus C plus 60 plus C. This will give you how much? 80 plus C plus 60, 140 plus 2C. Then this will increase by how much? 70 crores. So when you add 70, you'll get the total sales of 2019 also. Now what's the total sales in 2019 for home decor? 100 plus 72, 172. 172 plus 80, that is 252. 252 plus 54 is 306. So I'll write 306 here. So how much I'll get here? 306 minus 140. This will give you how much? This is 140 plus 70, 210. So 2C is equal to 306 minus 210. I'll get 96 here. 96. That means the value of C must be equal to how much? 48. So I got these two missing values. Now I need to find the values of A and B only. Fine. What's the next clue? The sales amounts in the apparel departments of Delhi and Bangalore each increase by the same amount in 2019 and 18. The sales amounts in the apparel departments. This one is apparel departments of Delhi and Bangalore, each increased by the same amount in 19 from 18. Now this increase must be of what? Same amount. This is A minus B. So in Bangalore, there should also be an increase of what? A becomes B. That means there's an increase of B minus A. B minus A. So in 19 for Bangalore, again there should be an increase of what? B minus A. So this becomes B plus B minus A. That is 2B minus A. The sales amounts in the apparel departments of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by the same amount in 19 from 18. The sales amounts in the apparel departments of Mumbai and Kolkata also each increased by the same amount. So what's the increase in Kolkata? A becomes 54. That means it's an increase of 54 minus A. So in case of Mumbai, again there should be an increase of what? 54 minus A. So earlier it was B, now it should become B plus 54 minus A. Fine. So I got all the values in terms of what A's and B's here. What's the next clue? The sales amounts in the apparel departments of Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore in 2019 followed an arithmetic progression. What does it mean? Apparel departments in Delhi, then Kolkata and Bangalore. They should follow an arithmetic progression in the year 2019. In 19 for Delhi it's B, for Kolkata it's 54, and for Bangalore in 2019 the value is 2B minus A. Now if they are following an arithmetic progression, that means the common difference must be same. So how do we write it? 54 minus B must be equal to 2B minus A minus 54. After solving this, what you will get? 54 comes on this side, you get 108 is equal to 2B, it becomes 3B. 3B minus A. This is equation number 1 for me. So which clue I haven't used so far? Look at this one. The sum of the sales amounts of 4 electronic departments increased by the same amount as the sum of the sales amounts of the 4 apparel departments from 18 to 19. That means for apparel department, the increase should be same as for electronic departments. What was the increase in electronic department? It was of 40. So in apparel, there should again be an increase of 40. How do we get this? In 2018 for apparel, Delhi, there was A. For Mumbai, it was B. For Bangalore, again it was B. And for Kolkata, it was A. So plus 40 will give you what? The total sales of apparels in the year 2019. So what is the total sales of apparels in the year 2019? B plus 54 minus A, then plus 2B minus A plus 54. We'll get one more equation in terms of what? A's and B. Look at this. I've got 2 B's here and 2 B's here. This B will be cancelled out. B will be cancelled out. What about A's? This is minus A minus A. I've got 2 A's here. 2 A's comes on this side. I'll get 4A is equal to 40 goes on that side. 54. Then I've got 2B also here. I've got 2B also here. When 2B comes on this side, you'll get minus 2B. This 40 goes on that side. 54 plus 54 is 108. 108 minus 40 is 68. I'll get one more equation from it. So 4A minus 2B is equal to 68. That means 2A minus B must be equal to 34. This is equation number 3 for me. Now can we solve these two equations? Look at this. This is 3B minus A is equal to 108. Can we write it like this? 6B minus 2A is equal to 216. When you add these two equations, you'll get the value of B. When you add these two equations, what you will get? 6B minus 2A is equal to 216. 2A minus B is equal to 34. 2A will be cancelled out. You'll get how much? 5B is equal to 216 plus 34 is 250. So I'll get B equal to 50 here. I'll get B equal to 50 here. And what was the value of A? A must be 3B minus 108. If B is 50, 3B becomes 150. 150 minus 108 will get A equal to 42. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, let's fill all the values in the next table. I know that A is equal to how much? 42. Okay, let's look at the next slide. A is equal to 42. So I'll put 42 here. This was A. What was given in the second side? B. B was 50. So the next two values will become 50 and 50. In the year 2019, it was B plus 54 minus A. B is 50. 50 plus 54 is 104. 104 minus 48 will give you 52. 104 minus 48. This was 48. Just a second. This is 42. B is 50. 50 minus 42 is 8. 8 plus 54 is 62. So 19 will become 62. Then in 2018, B is 50. This will become 50. 19 is 2B minus A. 2B means 100. 100 minus 42 is 48. This becomes 48. A is 42. So this becomes 42. What else? In case of home decor, I got 80. So this is 80. This one is 60. And this was C. What was the value of C? I got C equal to 48. So these two values will become 48. Okay, so effectively I took around 7 to 8 minutes to solve this particular case. Now let's look at the questions here. In home decor departments of which cities were the sales among the highest in 2018? In home decor department, this is home decor. Of which cities were the sales amounts the highest in 2018? In 2018, what was the highest one? It's 80, 48, 60, 48. It's only Delhi. Even in 19, it's Delhi. So my answer becomes first option. Let's look at the next one. What was the increase in sales amounts in crore rupees in the apparel department of Mumbai from 18 to 19? Increase in apparel for Mumbai to 18 to 19. This is apparel Mumbai. 50 becomes 62. 50 becomes 62. That means there's an increase of 12 crores. So my answer becomes third option. Let's look at next question. Among all the 12 departments, that is 3 departments in each of the 4 cities, what was the maximum percentage increase in sales amount from 2018 to 19? So you'll have to find the percentage increase here. Okay. Let's look at this one. This was 42, 42 becomes 50. There's an increase of 8 only, approximately 22%. Then 50 becomes 62. There's an increase of 12, more than 20%. 50 becomes 48. There's a decrease. Then 42 becomes 54. There's an increase of 12. 12 will be somewhere close to 30%. But if you look at this value, this one, 60 becomes 80. There's an increase of 20%. Fine, leave it. Any other value? 78 becomes 98, 80 becomes 100. So there's an increase of how much? 25%. 48 becomes 72. Now what is half of 48? That is 24. There's an increase of 24. That means there's an increase of 50%. So my answer becomes second option, 50%. Let's look at the next question. What was the total sales amount in crore rupees in 19 for the chain of departmental stores? That means you need to add all the values here. He's asking in 2019. 2019, I'll have to add all the values here. Let's look at the table here. This is 50, 98, 100, 198 and 40. 198 and 40 is 248. This one will give you 62, 102, 72. 62 plus 72 is 134, 134, 234, 236. For Bangalore is 48, 70, 150, 198. This is 198. For Kolkata, it's 54, 54, 100. That is 208. Let's add these values. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 8 is 30, 0, 3 carry over, 12, 4, 16, 19, 9, 1 carry over, 6, 7, 890. We have 890 here. Let's look at the calculation. Okay, if you look at this one, this is not 48. I made a mistake here. If you calculate it, 2019, if you look at the value, it's 2B minus A. What is B? It's 50. 100 minus 42. 100 minus 42 will give you 58. So I made a mistake here. This will become 58. That's why this will become 208. Fine. So you'll get 900 here. So for that question, answer should be the first option. So this was a very easy case, right? You should have done this. Thank you.